Go ahead.
Okay, so here we have the human torso model.
Frank, you're not in the video.
So here we have the human torso model. Here the right, and the left lung. Here's the superior lobe of the right lung, the middle lobe of the right lung, and the inferior lobe of the right lung. For the left lung, we just have two lobes, the superior and the inferior lobe here. So if we go deep of the lung, we have the heart here, and the heart we have the coronary arteries and veins.
Your fingers aren't kind of in the way.
The coronary arteries and the coronary veins.
Use the pointer.
That's what it's there for.
So on the outside layer we have the epicardium. The middle layer we have the myocardium, and inside here we have the endocardium.
No, that's the trabecular cardium.
Yeah, you got this. Keep going.
I did it wrong?
And the chambers of the heart are the right atrium, also seen here. The right ventricle, also seen here, and the left ventricle seen here, and the left atrium seen on this side.
Frank, why are you on the heart? We have heart models.
Just take the whole heart off.
Before I was so rudely interrupted, I was going to the heart, and now I'm moving on to
Oh, his hands are in the way.
the lungs. So this is the right and the left primary bronchioles,
Bronchi.
And moving up, before I take this apart, here's the thyroid gland, the thyroid cartilage, the superior thyroid arteries. And turning it over to the right,
In my hair.
we have the parotid gland, the parotid duct leading to it. On this other side, we have the sublingual gland, and this is the submandibular duct.
Gland.
Submandibular gland.
Not duct. This is the liver. We'll get to that later.
You see this part?
Yep.
Yeah, it is. This is the stomach. So what you have in the stomach here is the cardiac area.
Region.
The cardiac sphincter, the fundus, the lesser curvature, the greater curvature. This entire area is the body of the stomach. If you look inside, these bumps here are the rugae. And this end is the pyloric sphincter that connects to the small intestine. For the liver here, we have the right lobe, the left lobe, the
Falciform ligament.
falciform ligament, the round ligament, which is in white, the caudate lobe, the quadrate lobe, which is a square here, the gallbladder. This is the cystic duct that comes off the gallbladder. This up top where it branches off is the bile duct. And the bottom is the hepatic duct. Common bile duct.
You're good.
So here, this blue vessel is the inferior vena cava.
You're gonna leave. See you this time.
And these are the hepatic arteries and veins.
Just the hepatic artery.
The hepatic artery is in red here. I'm not sure what that is. And that's it for the liver.
Pancreas.
The pancreas, we have the tail at this end near the spleen. This is the spleen. The head is at this end near the small intestine. This is the small intestine.
Pancreatic duct.
The pancreatic duct is this white duct that runs along the center of the pancreas. The large intestine is made up of the ascending. We get this out of the way here. It's made up of the ascending colon, the transverse colon, and the descending colon. Down here, beside the ascending colon, you see the appendix. So if we remove all these, here are the adrenal glands. Here's the spleen, as I mentioned earlier, and here are the splenic arteries and splenic veins. Don't you say anything else?
Renal.
Here are the gonadal arteries and the gonadal veins. This is the same thing on this side.
You have the kidneys.
The kidneys are here with the renal arteries and the renal veins that run to it.
Inferior vena cava.
Inferior vena cava, the abdominal aorta.
Celiac trunk comes out the top.
So, yeah. So that trunk comes out the top. You can see the branches that come off of it. Here are the superior mesenteric artery, the inferior mesenteric artery.
You can even see your lumbar arteries and veins.
The lumbar. Here's the lumbar arteries and veins.
Median sacral.
This is the median sacral artery runs down this way. This is the iliolumbar.
No.
That's
Those
not,
are the lumbar arteries and veins.
what about these?
Lumbar arteries and veins.
They're all lumbars?
Yes. Your lumbar vertebrae is just not this big.